How to download data from Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can download data from Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now from your home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, now tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Once you get to your settings and activity page, tap on Account Center at the top. Here, scroll down a bit and under Account Setting, head towards your information and permissions. Now, once you're here, there you'll have an option as Download Your Information. Tap on it. Once you land on this information or in this page, here it says download your transfer information, so tap on the button in your interface. Here select your Instagram account and tap on next. Now once you get this information, go to the second option that says some of your information, because if you select the first option that says all available information, it will download all your information or data, which might take up to days in order to download. So it might take longer. So here you can head towards the second option. And here select your preferred data. For example, I want to access my message data from Instagram. So I will select that, then tap on next. After that, tap on download to device. And here first of all select your date range. Tap on the date range and here select your preferred date range. Then tap on save. Under that, review all the information. Make sure that you have provided your correct Gmail account. You can check the file format and also the quality. Once you have saved your settings, tap on create a file. After that, your information is being prepared, and once the information is ready, you will get notification from Instagram within an hour. Once the information is available, you can simply download from this page and view your data from the Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.